Joining us now, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick. You've been through a lot over the years, Howard. Very seasoned, obviously. But today's move, is it unexpected for you? About right? I mean, you saw Monday was kind of like a bonus, the way it turned around, and but when it finally did happen, and we got the numbers, was this reaction? Is it overdone, you think, or about what you thought?
Well, I think the long term or even the medium term, you've got to expect the United States of American markets are going to do extremely, extremely well. I understand the reordering of the rest of the world's markets, but they have been taking advantage of the trading policy, the markets policy. All the policies of the United States of America were designed to make you rich and make us poor. You know, take our factories from us, go build elsewhere. I mean, imagine this. Why are all of our pharmaceutical products, the ingredients to our pharmaceutical products, made in Asia? That's not cheap labor. That's just a failed policy that lets the rest of the world gut America. And that's what Donald Trump is here to address, and he's going to change it, and he's going to protect America for our children and our grandchildren.
Hey, Mr. Secretary, who came up with the equation that we've shown? I know it's hard to get a clean number for tariffs plus all the other things that you would constitute as unfair trade, whether it's currency manipulation or regulations or whatever. But there is some, I don't know if I'd call it confusion, but there's some downright derision about using a trade deficit imbalance and then subtracting it and, you know, putting it over another and coming up with some of these what look like almost arbitrary numbers taken. There it is. Did you come up with that? I don't know if you had advanced calculus or something.
All right, the council, stop. The Council of Economic Advisors, right, coupled with the United States Trade Representative, they have huge staffs of economists who study this and have been studying this for years. They put out the non-tariff trade barriers. I'll give you an example. Yesterday, I was talking to a trade minister of a big country, and I said, look, we can't sell cars in your market. You've got to do something to change that. It's obviously unfair. And at the very end of the conversation, the trade minister dropped his head and said these words. He said, fine, we will provide your car manufacturers the same subsidy we provide ours. Just think about that for a minute. So you've got all these countries, they charge a VAT or a consumption tax. What do they do with that tax? If they turn around and sell really cheap energy to their steel company, then their steel companies destroy ours, put ours out of business, and then all of the steel goes elsewhere, and we can't defend ourselves in a war. If they take that and give it back as a subsidy to their car manufacturer, then their car manufacturer actually has a cost of $40,000 when our car manufacturer has $50,000, and of course we're never going to sell a car. So this is the reordering of fair trade. And what happens is people think it's all about tariffs. It's about those non-tariff trade barriers.
Well, it'd be nice
That's what we are addressing now.
It'd be nice if everybody on that list, all those countries, said, you know what? We've seen the error in our ways, and we're going to go 0-0. We want to make it fair across the board, but how likely is that? How soon do you expect to see some concessions, or conversely, retaliatory tariffs, which just cause this to go much longer than anyone probably wants, to be more costly and could be a full-scale trade war if it goes that way? Which are you expecting?
I expect most countries to start to really examine their trade policy towards the United States of America and stop picking on us. Stop saying that we can't sell our corn to India. Stop saying that we can't sell our beef anywhere. Just stop treating us so poorly if we are the great consumer of the earth. The United States buys everybody's products. We buy everybody's goods. You just have to treat us fairly, and that is the problem. So some countries you know, which have these VATs, and they use these VAT taxes to, you know, they basically subsidize their domestic production, right? That's got to really be balanced. We've got to figure that out together. But what you're going to see is you're going to see tariff rates decline. You're going to see the opening of all of these global markets to our agriculture, to our ranchers, to our fishermen. You're going to see American production start to rise and finally be fair. And I think that we have Stockholm Syndrome. We're so used to being abused. And Donald Trump's been talking about this for 35 years.